It's a profound opportunity to be here at this 2025 edition of the Salon Civic Festival.
We at the Ministry of Tourism and Culture, we're very happy for that because now an opportunity for we for showcase to the public what we don't do and also for interact with people.
I think it is promoting Civic 100%. We are seeing young people here. We are seeing what ministries are showcasing here, and people are asking questions.
Welcome to Civic Festival 2025.
Hi guys, welcome back to another exclusive video here on Chernobyl Explores. Today, as you see, we are live here at the Ministry of Information, Civic Education and the Government of Sierra Leone as they are hosting the second edition of the Civic Festival. We are here and we definitely going to walk through to see what is happening in this booth and in this environment today. Remember, this is a 3-day event and we're going to be here today. It's day 1, day 2 as well. We're going to be here day 3 as well, which will involve the peace concert. We are definitely going to be here.
So actually, today we are here at the Civic Fest. So we are going to show you around how this event is going to be like, and also going to show you some interviews with different ministries around this place.
At this 2025 edition of the Salon Civic Festival, and I'm here to interact with you on national issues.
What we ensure, what we want to do is to see how best we communicate government activities to our people so that they are part of governance. So when you see us bring all ministries, departments and agencies at the close of the year, is for the citizens to have the opportunity to enter any booth here, ask any MDA with respect to what has been its commitment to the 5 big game changers of the president's brief. So today we are showcasing our commitments to accountability, our commitments to freedom to information. I mean, open government partnership with everybody. That is why you see around, you see the private sector, you see the CSO, you see the media, you see government agency, all exhibiting what governance is.
So if you see, there is a booth there, and that booth is the Ministry of Mines and Mineral Resources and Natural Mines. So there you see minerals. It involves of bauxite, diamond, gold, and some other minerals produced in Sierra Leone.
Well, it feels good to be part of this because, I mean, it's a time to showcase what we have, the minerals we have, and how we can create awareness to the general public. So I think it's very insightful. I'm happy I'm part of it.
For me, all I'm seeing are stones. Are they stones or what?
They are rocks.
They are rocks.
And from this, we have economically viable things we get from them. So for the one you've seen right here, bauxite, we get aluminium from it. So for now, we have several bauxite mining companies that are engaged in bauxite mining. So yes, the main purpose of it is for aluminium.
I want to buy one.
No, we are not selling.
We are gathered here today in a space that bears a familiar name, but with a new purpose. We are here at the newly designed Miata Civic Center formerly known as the Miata Conference Center. From this day forward, this building will be the home of a new civic culture in Sierra Leone, into a national hub for civic engagement, creativity, and digital innovation. The Miata Civic Center will be a place where citizens speak truth to power, where artists create the future, where innovators experiment, and where government connects directly with people.
Well, these are one of the biggest platforms, the biggest public platform where the government provide for the citizens they come for ask questions, for them they can see tangible through video and waiting people in the exhibit here as well.
Of course, this event is a very good one. Last year again I was here. We had a productive time. You know, all about the Civic Festival is about bringing unity, oneness, you know, bringing people together. And of course, I've seen a lot of ministries, departments, agency here showcasing what they are doing as ministries of this country, and I think it's a good one. I think it is promoting Civic 100%. We are seeing young people here. We are seeing what ministries are showcasing here, and people are asking questions. Even myself here today, I've learned because I've went to so many booths here. I've asked questions about things that I don't know about. I think yes, it is promoting Civic in the country.
We bring Sierra Leoneans together, we celebrate together. We have beautiful things that hold us together. We should not be focusing or zooming in on only things that divide us. So this is a time that we come together, we celebrate as a country, without which we don't have any country. This is Sierra Leone, and to us we say, Salon Big Pass all.
As a company that do involve into producing our local produce from the local raw material, I think it is very much good and very much, you know, like important for us to be part of such events to showcase, you know, what we are doing for the people of Sierra Leone and also for other people that are in the country. It's a very good one for us, you know. It's also bridge the kind of unity, you know, that we as a country are yearning for, because as I have said, we buying those raw materials from different places around the country. So I think to your question, it helps a lot to ensure that, you know, we meet other people from other places.
Hi guys, we're here and today is the second day of the 2025 Civic Festival organized by the Ministry of Information and Civic Education and the government of Sierra Leone and their partners. We are here and if you see behind us now, you see this is a booth comprises of farmers, the Ministry of Agriculture and farmers across Sierra Leone producing different local products here, showcasing them to the population of Sierra Leone because according to them, they believe that with this product and if we all as Sierra Leoneans join hands together, we can definitely feed Sierra Leone as a nation. Come with us, let's see how best we talk to some of these people to know definitely how they manage to produce this crop or this product and also what are some of the things they believe that are the most important things and why Sierra Leoneans should use some of these products, these farm products produced by them, by these our local farmers. Stay with us and come, let's hear from them.
I've been extra happy because one, for bringing time together with the farmers, understand, for bringing time together, then for can showcase the marketing, understand, then that opportunity that way we bring other people and come back on board.